Welcome to the in front of me Honor 9X Lite, and I'll show you how to take screenshots without buttons on this device. So first you should go to the settings app and scroll down to the smart assistants. Now just go here to the motion control and tap here to the 3-finger screenshot section, and just to take a screenshot with swipe down your screen with your 3 fingers. Just tap here once on the switcher, and right now, as can you see, we can take a screenshot with our 3 fingers. And if you will just tap here, you can edit the screen, you can share with the screen with someone. If you will edit the you can, change the size. And now we can also save the screen. And also we got the second way. Just go to your notification bar and tap here to the screenshot icon. And now, as can you see, we also take a screenshot. You can also share, edit, or delete the screen, for example. And now if you want to just find the screenshot, you can find them in your gallery. Here you get the screenshot album, and just here you'll find your screenshot here on the photos. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe our channel.